Namaste, dear students. Welcome back. Hope you people are doing good. So, yesterday in a previous video, you have understood about logarithms, correct? So, what is characteristics, what is mantissa, and how to identify those things? I believe you have already understood about that part, correct? So, today we are going to learn about anti-logarithm. So, what is anti-logarithm and how we are going to find that? So, today your topic is anti-logarithm. Anti-logarithm. Okay. So, today we are going to learn about anti-logarithm. So, first you write down what is anti-logarithm and how we are going to calculate. So, today I will show you together like how we calculate logarithm and how do we calculate anti-log, okay, with few example. So first you write down the meaning of anti-logarithm. See, anti-logarithm, it is a reverse process of logarithm. It is a simple sense you can understand. So the way we find the log, so that exactly opposite, so that is reverse. So if you do the reverse process for the logarithm, you are going to get anti-log. Okay. So whenever you consult like calculate anti-log, when you see anti-log table, so we have to select mantissa part of logarithm. So that means we are going to take only a consideration of mantissa, not the characteristics. Understood? So by taking that mantissa part, we calculate the first two digits, we take mantissa part and we are going to identify in the table. Okay. So that is the process of anti-logarithm. So let us have practical experience. Till then you don't get understand. Okay. So first you write down the process of identifying anti-log. It is the reverse. It is the reverse process of logarithm. It is the reverse process of logarithm. So when we compute anti-log, for a log, we will get back to the number. We will get back to the number. While consulting is nothing but referring anti-log table. Okay, while consulting anti-log table, while we compare the anti-log table, when we identify, select only the mantissa part, only the mantissa. So you have to be very careful about this. So what we are going to select? We are going to select only mantissa part of logarithm. Mantissa part of logarithm. The first two digits of mantissa part decides row third digit decides the column and fourth digit decides column under mean difference, under mean difference. See, first you read this 2 to 3 times and understand. So when you read and understand this part, it will be very easiest for you to understand antilog. So how we calculate. So let us find a few value for logarithm and antilog, so that you will also get a clarity, so that you will also have a clarity about things. So I'll find out some so that you will get an idea. So we'll identify for a few numbers, so that you don't get confused later, or such kind of things. Okay, so there's some common words, common items which we identify, log and anti-log. So you will get an idea to calculate log and anti-log as well. Okay, fine. So by learning this, you will be able to understand both, like how to find a log and how to find anti-log. Actually, table is not required, so let my notes look, the presentation of my work should be always good. So I'm just drafting the table there, that's all. Okay, so let it be first column for serial number. Okay, so smaller one. Then let it be for numbers to write, and then let it be a column for log, and let it be a column for anti-log. Okay, so this part I'll let you know. So we'll, if it required, so serial number, then we will have regular numbers, so that is index numbers kind of thing. Okay, it would be index form of numbers, right? We find logarithm value, anti-log value, anti-log value. So what we'll do, we'll take a few direct numbers which will help us out, to identify the numbers. We will go with the direct numeric numbers. First I'm taking number 1, 0.012. Okay, second one I'm writing 0.0087. okay, thirdly I'm taking 975. Fourthly I'm taking 1, let it be 1. Okay, then fifth digit, that fifth one, 2-digit one, I'm taking 20. Sixth one I'll take 347, we will write 347.5, 347.5, 347.5. Then we will write the seventh digit as one more index number, like any one, like which will have more after the point, that is 000347.5. I have just converted this here. Okay, then we will have eighth number as 4000. Then we will have ninth number as 172.3. Then we will have 10th number as 0.075. Clear? So this is the numbers I have taken directly, so that whenever we calculate, we should go you should understand. So first we will identify logs for all these items. Log. So see, I have taken logarithms. Okay, logarithms I have taken. To identify log for 0.012. 0.012. So what you have to do? You have to do a 1 plus 1 to this number, correct? So when you do this, that will become minus 2, correct? So that will become minus 2. So in the given number, so what you have to identify, and on which number you are going to identify, because in logarithm you will have 10 to 99, correct? You will have 10 to 99. Okay, so in which you are going to identify? So in which point you are going to identify here? 0.012 is there. Okay, so as per the law of formula of logarithm, which I have already taught you in my previous video, so this will become minus 2. So minus 2, how you are going to write? Minus 2, correct? Point. So then you have to find a 12, 0. So in logarithm table 12 and 0. So 12, it is 50 table. So then we have 12 here, correct? Are you able to identify? I'll show you. See, in 12, 0 column, how much? How much in 0 column it is? 12 in 0 column, 0792, correct? 0792. So I'm going to write exactly that amount, 0792, clear? So I'm writing that 0792, clear? I have written the same number, I have not changed anything. Again 0.0087. 0.0087. So here immediately after decimal, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. If you add 1 here, so that will become minus 3. That will become minus 3, correct? So I'm mentioning minus 3, that is 3 bar. Okay, that is minus 3. So now you have to identify 87, 0 column. So logarithm, I am bringing 87. This is the 87th place, and 0 column is 9395. 9395. Are you able to identify this? Yes, right? So I am focusing my video on that. So it is 9395. I think you could able to identify 9395. I'll show you. 87th 0 column, 9395. Clear? Yes. So I'm writing directly 9395. So then you have a 975 to identify. How much? 975. Okay. So now 975 directly is given. So for 975, what is your answer? So how many digits are there? 3 digits, correct? So 3 positive digits. So you have to identify for 975. So 975 is greater than 1 or less? Greater than 1, correct? See, I have given you, whenever greater than 1, number of digits in integral part minus 1. So how many digits are there in integral part? 975. How many digits are there? 3 digits, correct? Whenever it is greater than 1, minus 1. So if you do minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 digits, minus 1 is how much? 2, correct? So 2 point. So now identify the value in logarithm. So in logarithm, which column you are supposed to identify? Yes. In which column? Tell me, let me see. So you are going to identify in the 97th column, correct? Two. Yeah. 975, correct? So 97th column, 5th row. Okay, so I'm going for the 97th column. See, this is 97 and 6th row is, sorry, 5th row. 5th row is this, so I'm coming in this row. Yes, 97, 5th row it is. See, what is the value? You only tell. 98. Uh-oh. 9890, correct? So that is 9890. So I'm writing 9890. So next one is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. So it is neither greater nor lesser. So in that case also 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So now you have to identify the log value for 1. So that is 1 minus 1 is 0. So if you look at the first column of 10. So we are going to look at first column of 10. So how much you have? Zeros, 4 zeros. So I am writing that 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 2. So how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. 2 0. So fifth one I am doing 2 digits are there. 2 0. So 2 digits minus 1, since 20 is greater than 1. So 2 0 is 2 digits. 2 digits minus 1 is 1 point. 1 point. So now find out in 20 0 column we have to find. In 20 0 column we have to find. So 20th column 0. 3010. 3010. So I am writing 3010. Clear? So next 347.5. 347.5 I have written. So how many digits are there before decimal point? 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So now in 34th column, 7th row, then in difference 5 we have to find. Okay. So how much we'll get? Let us see. 34 7. 34 in the 7th column. 5403. 5403. Okay, I am writing it on a rough paper. So that is 5403. Correct? 5403. So that is 34 7th column. Then difference is 5. In the 5th column of difference. So how much we get? 6. So plus 6. So if you do that, 5409 we have. So 5409. Understood, right? See, 34. So the value which we have to identify, 347.5. In 34th logarithm table, 7th row I am identifying. 34 in 7th we have 5403. So I have copied that 5403 here. Then this 0.5 is left out, right? For this 0.5 mean difference. So that is in the mean difference column how much? 6 is there. So 5403 plus 6 is 5409. So I am writing that value over here for this 2.5409. 5409. Clear? Still have doubt? No, right? Yes, so now it is 0.000347. Correct. So how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. If you add 1, that will become minus 4. So minus 4 will be written as like this, minus 4.3475. As I have already told you in my previous class, only character value differs, mantissa value remains same, because 347.5, 3475 remains same. So we are going to 34th column in the log table, 7th row, that becomes 5403, 5403. Then if you look at 5 mean difference, you will get 6. If you add 5409 is a constant answer. So I am writing directly 5409. Okay, so next for 4000. So how many digits? 4 digits are there. Whenever it is a greater than 1, so what you have to do? You have to minus 1. So that will become 3 now. Correct? So 3. So in 40th column 0. So you have to identify 40th column 0. In 40th column 0. So let me show you. The 40th column is here. 6021. 6021. Correct, because 0 row 40th column. Okay, 6021. So it is 40th row 0 column. 40th row 40th. This is a row. 40th row 0 column. So that is 6021. So I am writing 6021 directly. 6021. Next 172.3 greater than 1. So 3 digits. 3 minus 1 is 2. Correct. So now you have to identify 17 2 in logger table. 17th row 2nd column. Mean difference 3. So 17th row, where it is 17th row. So I'll have a sheet so that you will also get a clarity of that. 17th row 2nd column. 17th row 2nd column how much? 2355. Correct. So I'm writing 2355. That is 17th column 2nd row. Then 3 is mean difference. So 3 is mean difference. So mean difference is 7. So I am adding that 7. So that will become 2362. 2362. Okay. So I am writing that here. 2.2362. Okay. So next we have 0.075. After decimal point, how many zeros? 1 0. So if you add 1, that will become minus 2. So 75th row 0 column. 75th row 0 column. So 75th row 0 column is 8751. Correct. 8751. 8751. So directly 8751. Clear with the calculation of log, right? So how we are going to identify log. So now do you want to understand anti-log? Correct. So anti-log, shall we go? Okay. So for anti-log, I said you have to go on reverse. So here they said in the theory that while consulting anti-log table, select only the mantissa part of logarithm. The first 2 digits of mantissa part decides row, third digit decides the column. Okay. So now mantissa you have to this is the anti-log table. This is anti-log table. Okay. See, anti-logarithms. So with the help of this, we have to fill this column. See, while calculating anti-log value, what you have to consider? You should consider only mantissa. You should not consider characteristics. So we have to leave this character part, only decimal value, that is mantissa. This is called mantissa and this is called character, correct? So we are not considering this character, we are considering only mantissa. See, 0792 is there. So first two digits is going to decide the anti-log table row, and the third digit decides the row column, and this one is going to, you are going to refer for mean difference. For example, 07. In 07 row, you have to find ninth column. See, 07 ninth column you have to find. This is a ninth column. So let me take you 07 ninth column is 119 and 2. Second is mean difference. Mean difference is 1. Okay. So now I'll tell you how you are getting a value of this. What is the value you are going to get, so that you know, you will also understand how to identify, so that you should not get confused. 07 row, ninth column value is 1199. 1199. Clear? So then which number is left? 2. Mean difference 2 is 1. So plus 1. So that will become how much? That will become 1200. Correct? 1200. 1200. Understood? So now I am going to write this here while writing anti-log. What is the negative? 2. So that means 0.0. 0.0. What is the answer I got here? 1200. So 1200, because minus 2 I got. So minus 2 is equal to 0.0. Minus 3 is equal to 0.00. 00 you will get. Clear? So let me give you that clarity also. See here, we don't consider character. 93rd row, 9th column, mean difference 5. Okay. So I am writing that here. The value 9395. Correct? 9395. Compare it. So now I am going for anti-log table. So in the 93rd column, see, 93rd row, this is 93rd row, 9th column, 9th column, see, this is a 9th column, so that is the last column. 93rd row, 9th column. How much you got? 8690. Correct? 8690. Okay, 8690. So mean difference 5. Fifth table, you should go for fifth one. So fifth one is, see, you said 1 2 3 1 2 3, it is printed, but you should count 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth column, for that it is 10. So if you add 10, 0 7 8700. 8700. So what is your answer for anti-log identification over here? So 3 minus, that means 0.00. What is the answer you got? So the answer you got is 8700. Correct? 8700. So I am going to write 8700 directly. So next we have 2.9890. So we don't consider this 2 while calculating anti-log. We don't consider 2. Correct? So directly 98th, 9th column. 98th row, 9th column. Check out how much 98th row, 9th column is the last column. 9750. That is 9750. Correct? So 9750, directly I am taking 9750. Since it is a 0 is at last, so I am going to put 1 point over here. 975.0. Okay, fine. So next we have 1. For 1 it is 0.000. That means antilog 000 value. Okay, antilog 0. So that is 0 I have here in 0 degree. That is 0 row, 0 column is 1000. How much? 1000. So I am writing 1000. 1000. Since 4 zeros are there here, so minus 1, so that is 0.1. Okay, 1.000. 1.000. So next 1.3010 is there. So character we don't find. In 30th column, first row, 0 mean difference. That means there is no 0 in mean difference. So only 30th column, 30th row, first column. In 30th row, first column, 1995 it shows. Okay, so that is 30th column, that shows 30th 1, right? Yes, 30th 1. I'm sorry, not 10. 30th 1. So that is 20. 2000. 2000. So 2000. So since here we have one number, one digit, so plus 1. If you add plus 1, so how much? 2. So 2 after 2 digit you have to put a point. Okay, so next you have 2.5409, 54th row, 0 column. 54th row, 0 column. 54th row I am going. Yes, 54th row, 0 column is 3467. See, the value is 5409, correct? So 54th row of 0 column is, the value of this is 54th row 0 column 3467, and the mean difference is 9. So since we don't have 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is 7. Okay, so that is 7. So I am adding that. 7 7 plus 14, 7 4 3 3474, correct? So how much? 3474 I got. So I am writing directly 3474. So how many digits are there? 2, correct? So that is character value. Plus 1 is 3. So after 3 you put 1 point. 347.4. Okay. Next you have 5409. So this is minus 4. So 5409 if you have. So 54th row, 0 column. Again 54th row, 0 column is same we will get, I think. Okay, so I think we are going to get the same value if you look at that 54th column, because this value never differs. So only 0 place value changes. So minus 4 in the sense, so 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, this is minus 4 value. So then you have to write 3474. You need not to put point. Clear? Next 36021 is there. So we don't consider character. So only Mantis 60 21st column. So in 60, second column, 60th row, second column, 60th row, yes, second column, 3990. So that is, what is the value? 6021 we have to identify, right? For 6021 we have to identify. So 60th column, 60th row, 22nd column, 60th row, second column is 3999. 3999. Then 1 Mantis, that is 1. So that becomes 4000. Correct, 4000. So since 3 is the denominator, so 3 is there, 3 plus 4. So that is 4000. After this you have to put point, because 3 plus 1 is 4. So after this, if you have any decimal, then we are going to write a point. So we will write a point after 4. Okay, so next is for 2362 you have to identify. So for 23 row, 6th column, 2 mantissa. So anyways, to get a clarity, I will just write it here. So you have to identify what? 2362. So 23rd row, 6th column value. 23rd row, 6th column value. 23rd row, 6th column is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct, 1722. So that is going to be 1722. Then 2 in mean difference. So 2, 1, 2, that is 1. So plus 1, that is 1723. Okay, how much? 1723. So I am writing that 1723 directly here. 1723. So here, how many character is there? 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So after 3 digits, you have to put a point. 1, 2, 3, put a point. 1723. Last one, 28751. So 8751. So 87th, 5th row. 8751 I am writing here for reference. 8751, correct. So here 87th row, 5th column value. 87th row, 5th column. 87th row, I got it. 5th column, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th column, 7499. So I got it. 7499 and 1 in mean difference. So mean difference in 1, 7499, 2. So that is 2. So that is 11, 0, 7501. Okay, 7501. So I am writing that 7501. So minus 2 is there. So minus 2 in the sense, how many zeros you should put? So in front, how many zeros? 1. 0.07501. So this is how we calculate anti-log and log value. So I believe you are clear with this. So if you practice, you will understand better. So you will learn more. So today I am going to give you few work so that you can do work at home by identifying log value and anti-log value. So you come up with the log value and anti-log value for the numbers which I give here, so that you will get idea. So this is going to be your homework. So you will solve and you will bring the solution in my coming class. Okay, fine. So let you take down this. Again I'll put a column. So homework part. So because if you understand this, then only you can solve the problem, otherwise no, you cannot. So learn, identify log value and anti-log value. Okay, in the same columns, serial number, index number, log value you have to identify, anti-log you have to identify. So 11th number I am giving you 1575. 12th number I am giving you 4567. 13th number I am giving you 578. 14th number I am giving you 75. then 15th number I am giving you 5, then 16th number I am giving you 0.15, then 17th number I am giving you 0.0506, then 18th number I am giving you 0.0035, then 19th number I am giving you 0.00451, then 20th number I am giving you 0.002345. Okay, so now it is your duty to identify log value for these numbers and anti-log value for these numbers. So you bring it in the next session. So we will continue in the next session. So you have to send me this pics through WhatsApp. Okay, after identifying log and anti-log value. Okay, so in our personal group is there, right? So in that group you share this. So where we will discuss about how to identify. If you have any doubts still, we will clarify it there. Okay, so see you soon. Take care. Bye bye. I'll come back one more video very shortly. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family members. Stay safe. Stay home. Bye.